everybody, welcome back to the Timber Worker. This is just a very quick video this week. I've not posted in a while. I've been busy doing this, that and the other. But the reason why I want to post this week is because it's Makers Rock time again. So this year I'm trying something new. I've got these bits here which are veneer, sheets of veneer. Not something I've ever done before, but thought I would give it a go. And actually it's coming out quite nicely. You'll have to watch the build video to see how it finally ends up. Now I'm not going to share any sneak peeks of this year's videos, because that would be unfair. But what I thought I would do, if the technology works, Matt Haas, Awesome Wood Things, made this last year. He's the one who sets everything up, so he will be leading the way again this year, and his final build video is going to be fantastic, so you need to stick around and watch that. Next up, this year, back again, Make It Soph. I'm going to have to figure out a better screen for this, but yeah. So Make It Soph, back again. Another great UK maker. So stick around, stay tuned, you'll catch a video in a couple of weeks. So here's someone else in the community, know what one knows, she's been working hard. Again, she's not had a chance to put out lots of videos, but has made the effort to get these out there for you. So definitely watch the end result from her. And the final pair, they're both in this video. I know they may not get the videos out in time, certainly will get sort of message saying he's struggling, but so we've got WHCreations and Dave.G.Designs. So Dave and Will, another couple of UK makers, both do great stuff. So yeah, these two didn't take part last year, so brand new entries for this year. So again, a couple of weeks time, probably less than that now. Stick around and see what they've come up with. So I'll finish up in the background. This is my video from last year. Last year I did Blink 182. I was quite happy with it. This year, completely different, as I say, used veneer. Not something I've ever done before. Been learning. I've got all these different kinds of knives. This is my favourite. I'll talk more about this possibly in the final build video, but this was very cheap from the range, but it's been fantastic for cutting through the veneer. So yeah, I'll put links down to last year's compilation, all the videos on there for you to check out, and I will be back again in about a week's time with the final build video. So until then, enjoy yourself, and see you again soon.